Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Number Systems. The given question is so that 0.3333 which continues is equal to 0.3 with a bar on 3 can be expressed in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So guys, let us see how we can represent the given number in the form of a rational number. The question is asking us here to show 0.3333 and this repeats, which is nothing but 0.3 with a bar on 3 because 3 is recurring, 3 is repeating in the form of P upon Q, in the form of P upon Q where Q is not equal to 0. This is what the question is asking to show. That means the question is asking us to represent the given number 0.3333 in the form of a rational number. So guys, let us see how we can represent the given number in the form of a rational number. Now we have 0.3333 which is a repeating. So let us assume let x is equal to 0.3333 and this keeps on repeating. That means it is a non-terminating. It is not terminating, it is a non-terminating. Let x is equal to 0.33333. Now let us multiply 10 to both sides of the given equation, the above equation that we got now. Let us multiply 10 to both sides of the above equation that we got now. So if I multiply 10, x into 10 is equal to 0.3333 into 10. As I told you, we are going to multiply 10 to both sides of the above equation that we got. So what we did, we first assumed let x is equal to 0.33333 which is repeating, and then we multiplied 10 to both sides of the given equation, or that is equal to 10x, or I can write the above line as 10x is equal to, if I am multiplying 10, then my decimal will shift towards right to one digit. That means 3.3333 I can write because it is repeating. Though my decimal point shifted, though I'm left with, let me tell you, I can write 3.33 and then I can increase here because it is recurring. But instead of 3.333, I can also put another 3 because it is repeating. So the new number that I'm getting is 10x is equal to 3.3333. It is repeating. Or I can write 10x is equal to 3 plus 0.3333 which is repeating. This is what I can write. Or I can write 10x is equal to 3 plus x yx, because for this part we considered this part as x in our above step. If you look here to this step, we have considered x is equal to 0.3333 which is a repeating one. So for that reason I am just replacing 0.3333 with x. Or I can write 10x minus x is equal to 3, just moving x from right hand side to the left hand side. So it is positive in the right hand side, now it became negative in the left hand side. So I got 10x minus x is equal to 3. Or I can write 9x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 3 upon 9. So what we got x is equal to 3 upon 9. Or I can write x is equal to 1 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So guys, you could see that we got a number which is of the form P by Q, and Q is not equal to 0. So this is the number that we got, which is of the form P upon Q, and Q is not equal to 0. Hope guys you understood this. The main reason, the only confusion here is why we multiplied 10. Why we did not multiply 100 or 1000, just we multiplied 10. We multiplied 10. Just keep in mind we multiplied 10. Looking at here, if you look here, there is a bar on 3. That means it is repeating. After only a particular, after the decimal, immediately it is repeating. This 3 is repeating. So for that reason we multiplied 10 here. If this would have been like this, 0.123 and a bar is there, then we would have multiplied. That means it would have, this number would have been repeated like this, 0.123, 123, 123, which can be written as 0.123 bar. So in this case we would have multiplied, in this case we would have multiplied 1000, because 0.123 a bar is that, so we would have multiplied 1000, so that we can get a digit, we can replace or we can move this decimal up to after 3 digits. So in order to move the decimal up after 3 digits, we need to multiply 1000 here in this case. But in our case, just we have 0 point, that after 1 unit we have a decimal, after 1 digit we have a decimal. For that reason we are multiplying 10. After here there are 3 digits where the decimal is there, or after 3 digits it is repeating. So in order to make these 3 digits, in order to shift my decimal after 3 digits, so we are just multiplying 1000 here. We need to multiply 1000 here. Hope guys you understood this, why we are multiplying 10, and in which case we would have multiplied 100 or 1000. Guys, still if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe. If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.